Good evening. I'm Ernst Carter, and I would like to introduce to you my ThymeWarp. My ThymeWarp project began as a solution. Good evening, I'm Ernst Carter. I'd like to introduce to you a project that began as a solution over email. We had so many problems with email over the years. People not understanding the flat words used, the jokes, the expressions were missing. And so a few friends of mine sitting around came up with this idea. That would be a fun computer science project to do. We could actually use the internet. We can use ports and design our own protocol and bring to you a way to communicate with each of your friends or all at the same time without ever spending a penny. The phone companies use the internet. The businesses use the internet. The ISPs, everyone. And that's using the well-defined ports. So what if we use some of those not so well-defined ports? Ports where we had to make our own protocol, our own rules for receiving and sending data. That's kind of like taking a ship, and instead of going to the port where the workers are, you take your workers to a piece of land where there is no concrete, and you unload your supplies and you pick up your supplies, but you have to bring your own workers. And so that's what we do with ThymeWarp. And right now I have an example. Not many people want to know about calculus, but I do. I think it's pretty interesting. If you notice his expressions, can't get those in an email. And we thought, we don't have to rival with Alexander Graham Bell. We don't have to be on the same walkie-talkie at the same time to communicate. We send a communication, and we receive it at a convenient time when we're ready to receive it. Of course, we still need the phones, but the phone calls become much more fruitful. And we don't stay on the phone a long time, or a long drawn-out time for long drawn-out conversations. When we have something to say, we send the ThymeWarp, then we make a phone call. So we're introducing this January 15th, and we need your help to make this possible. We don't need much help because I took my company and we donated the equipment. The equipment is the biggest cost. We still have a router to get. And we can have it up and running. We're hiring additional computer scientists who enjoy internet protocol programming, like myself. We find it very interesting. And so we can bring you ThymeWarp, create apps for your computer, for your laptop, for your smartphone, and let you send ThymeWarps back and forth to your friends. Let's say that there's a break time. The break times are never even. You get a lunch at 12, the other person gets a lunch at 1. You have something to say, you say it at 12. She gets it at 1. Responds at 2. You get an afternoon break. It's excellent for that. We think it's also excellent for senior citizens. They send their doctor a ThymeWarp of their symptoms and how they're doing. the doctor can then respond in a much more well-informed phone call or video appointment. You can never find the doctor available when you need them. So ThymeWarp is excellent for that. So in any case, we need your help to make this possible. We have about 19 days. We don't need much more time than that. We're ready overnight. We've been ready since January 1. But of course it was New Year's and many of you people party. I don't. I should. I want to. But I like ThymeWarp. I want to get this going. We need your help to make this happen. And thank you very much.